Fuck. I feel pain. Sometimes that things just go here and there. I don't understand that shit sometimes, but I just want to speak to him. He knows what I understand. He understands. He understands that shit. And I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. Blasting on your ass with the heavy artillery, creeping with the cane, feel the pulse when I kill thee. Mastered all the ways, demon flesh when you feel me. Speaking to the devil, feel alive from the filthy. Heavy automatic grip tech when I aim, please score on a whore. Wipe that nose, take the church feast. Heavy automatic grip tech when I aim, please score on a whore. Wipe that nose, take the church feast. Lucifer play beats inside my head. Squeeze on the fool, walk them down with the blade trick.
Country, probably the last cold front of winter out here in Key Largo, Florida. Trying to go for some snow. Pretty sure the season's actually open. So I got one on the lot size. But we're going for Snook. We got artificial. And it's going to be at night. So I'll do my best with the lighting and filming in the fight. So without further ado, let's get Alright boys, got the DOA bait buster right there, the DOA shrimp, and the other DOA shrimp. So we're going 2 shrimps and a bait buster. Hopefully gonna get them. That's the shrimp. And that's the bait buster. Let's see if we get some snook tonight. I'm hoping we do. We'll be back at the spot without further ado. Small snook, I think, guys. Yes. Yes, small snook. Small snook. There he is. There he is, guys. Let's try to land him. He might dog me. Oh wow. He's a good fighter. I got him. First look of the night, but oh fuck it, all right. Good hook set. There he is. First snook of the night. Small snook. Beautiful snook though. Beautiful little snook. Alright, let's get this guy released because we're drifting. He got me. Alright guys. First snook of the night. He's biting me. There he is. There he is. There he goes. Beautiful little snook. There he is. All right. Oh, it's a snook. Oh, it's a ladyfish. Very good. Glad I'm out. Alright boys, we're back. One little itty bitty snook. A little bit of action, but home sweet home. We are here where you can see more. You know, that's pretty cool right there. Some wildlife. Yeah, that concludes today. Alright, that concludes the first night trip. I'm gonna do it again, most likely Saturday night. So yeah, hopefully we get bigger fish, a little bit more action, even though there was action tonight for sure. Landed 1 snook, hooked 2, probably 3. Couldn't get them to the boat though, and 2 ladyfish. So till the next time, as always, thanks for watching Fishing Blackwater. Alright guys, welcome back to Fishing Blackwater Sound. We're out on the sound. It's a real windy day today. Check this out. We're gonna go see how we do. I'm going close by to home. We got the fly rod today. We don't know if we'll be able to use it. Probably troll that. But let's go see what we can do out in the back country today. Thanks for watching. Alright boys, we are here. We're gonna drift the area. Collect this shrimp and see if we can get a snook to eat. Yeah, the winds are a lot. Snook, guys, Snook. He's on. We gotta be careful, we got a short leader. Nice Snook, guys. I knew you just had to try it and fish it. That's a beautiful fish. He's trying to gilly me. We got him. Small Snook. That's why you come out here. Beautiful first fish. Small Snook. See him right there? There he is. He's trying to gilly us, but we got him cooked pretty well. Not the biggest, but still worth it. Beautiful fish. Good way to start the backcountry trip. The winds are blowing really hard, so basically just putting that shrimp next to the trees here, and they're eating it on this side, I guess, based on the wind like this. I never catch them on this side. This is actually the very first snook on this side of this spot, which is in this corner right here. So beautiful fish. He's small. He's only about 18 inches. I'm sure you guys could see that. Let's release this fish. Oh, beautiful small snook. Let's just let him get his bearings back. There he is. Beautiful small fish. Biting my thumb. Just a beautiful fish. The power of that DOA. I knew I got hit. Almost. There, he's almost ready. There he goes. He's ready. There he goes. Beautiful. Alright guys, second spot. Nobody's out here, which is good. Got the whole backcountry to ourselves. And already got a snook. First fish was a snook. So I'm feeling pretty confident that I'm gonna get some more snook. Let's see how the creek treats us. But yeah, second spot. We'll be back. We got a snook, guys, for sure. Finally hooked up on a nice small rod. Oh my god, I got off. Drag was too tight. Jack. Man, I might not even be able to stop her. Big jack, guys. That's a big jack. I know it's a jack because I saw her eat it right by the boat. She's a monster. That's a big jack, guys. Oh wow. That's a big jack. Look at that rod. is. God, she's a monster. There she is. She's a big fish. Actually, that is a pretty big jack for this rod, so we will have to net her. Hold on a second, guys. Let's see if we can even get her. Oh my God, that's pretty big. That's pretty big, guys. Wow. Oh, maybe that's what the other fish was. Wow, she ate it. Look at that hook set. Whoa. We don't want that. It's good now. She's that's it. There she is. That's a pretty big jack right there. That's the backcountry sunset jack right there. Absolute beautiful sunset. Let's let her go. There she is. Oh. Last night, guys. After this, there won't be any sunlight. And because for this afternoon is gonna do it. Kind of a disappointing one. Lost a few nice fish, but I didn't have my headlamp at the end, and I actually missed a fly rod fish. I didn't get to record the fight, but somehow he came off the hook. It's gonna be real tough parking this thing, so I'll be back. I'll be back once I get it parked. Thanks for watching.
They saved me, the drugs, yes, they raised me. Blasting on your ass with the heavy artillery. Creeping with the cane, fell a pulse when I killed thee. Mastered all the ways, demon flesh when you feel me. Speaking to the devil, feel alive from the filthy. Heavy automatic grip tech. When I aim, please score on a whore. Wipe that nose, take the church feast. Heavy automatic grip tech. When I aim, please score on a whore. Wipe that nose, take the church feast. Take that church feast. Take that church feast. Score on a whore. I need more. Take the church feast. More. I need more. I need whores. Take the church feast. No, I need whores. I need more. Take the church feast. Yeah. More. I need whores. Take the. More. I need whore. More. I need whores.